Hello! Welcome to my channel! Today, we are going to do things a little bit differently. For one thing, everything is unscripted, but also because this isn't really bookish or art related, I just want to do something easy while I prepare a book review these upcoming days. If you read the title, then we are going to do a What's in My Bag tour. This is my backpack. I have a lot of bags. I have a collection, but this one in particular is my favorite. I had a navy blue backpack before that got scratched up, and unfortunately I did not like how the way it looked. So I replaced it with this bag that I bought online. It's very cute. It's 15 inches. I don't know if it can support my laptop, but I've used my tablet here. It can carry a lot of stuff. It's really roomy. It comes with 3 pockets, 2 in the front, this one, the main one, and it comes with a back pocket. It also has these side water bottle holders that are very useful, and I love it to bits. So without further ado, let's start the tour. So in the front, we have some button pins that I bought. I got them from a local store here, and they just encompass who I am personally. I love pom pom purin, I love cats, and I always wanted to be a journalist. I would have gotten something that says alright, being a future writer, but they don't have that in store, so I got the next best thing. Over here, I have some pins of cats because I love cats. And over here is a makeshift ID holder that I use as a keychain. It's from where I went for my internship. I didn't really use it for my ID, but it was so cute. I have it on my bag now as a reminder of my time there. Let's first start with this pocket in front. So this is where I keep all of my toiletries, so they are easy to access. So first of all, we have a comb. I use it on my hair, obviously. And then we have here a sanitary pad for when it's that time of the month. I have my alcohol spray for when I need to sanitize my hands or other objects. I have this emergency bottle of hand soap just in case when I go to a bathroom that does not have soap dispensers in them and I really need to wash my hands. I don't like the feeling of dirty hands, so a soap bottle is always a must for me. A pocket tissue. This one is from Miniso. I love this small package. It's easy to carry around and I get to use it whenever I go to the bathroom or whenever I eat. This lipstick that I got from my aunt. It's a nice shade of like pink, and my mom says it always suits me, and I believe her. She originally had this, but she gave it to me because she said it suits my face better. Another lip product, this time from Maybelline. Mom bought it for me. It's also kind of pinkish, and I use this if I am in the mood for another different shade of pink on my lips. I really like pink. A Hello Kitty hand mirror. This one comes with a normal mirror on the top and a ×2 mirror on the bottom. Baby powder. I use this one on my face. I used to use press powders, but they were causing me to have breakouts of acne. So instead, I use something a little better for my sensitive skin. hand cream because I have dry hands. This is small like circle of Vicks Vapor Rub just in case I get a headache. And finally, breath freshener. I like to use this every time I finish eating. It keeps my breath smelling fresh, obviously, and it removes that icky feeling after eating meat or saucy food. And that's about it for the front pocket. Over here on the side, we got my umbrella. It's yellow. It comes with a case on it. I'm too lazy to bring out the actual umbrella. But just imagine a foldable umbrella, will you? So let's go here in the back pocket. I have a few items hidden here. They're nothing too important. That's why they're in the back. So I just put them here for emergencies and for good luck. So I have this Bible that was given to us for free at our university. It's the New Testament, Psalms and Proverbs. I don't read it that often. I'm not that religious, but it's like a good luck item for me since I am still Catholic, just not the best Catholic out there. I have a couple of face masks that I keep here just in case I have to go somewhere that requires them, like hospitals or clinics. I have this extra eyeglass wipe because I wear glasses. It's color like gold and I think it's pretty, although I don't use it that often. And finally, we have this pouch. It's filled with my stones. I don't know if you could see it. Let me just pull out a few stones to show here. Again, they're for good luck measure and for protection. I like to keep them in my back pocket just so I could feel a little bit of good energy and vibes wherever I go. Alright, so that's for the back pocket. Now, for the main event. Let's go inside, shall we? There is a running theme in this video, and that is I don't know how to organize my stuff. My insides look like a mess, but that's okay. So over here, we have the laptop sleeve. Normally, I would put my tablet here, but whenever I go out and not for my internship, I would not bring the tablet with me because it's very heavy. So instead, I have this notebook which I just jot down random thoughts and notes from my internship on. I don't use it that much often these days, but I keep it around just in case we're required to do any note taking that doesn't involve using our phones or my tablet. I have this sketch pad. I haven't filled it up that much and I don't want to show it off because it's a little embarrassing. It's mostly just cartoon drawings inside of it anyways. Maybe when I feel a bit more confident, I will show off my artwork in the future. We then have this container of medications because I drink a lot of medicines and it's really nice and it's really useful because it's compartmentalized for 7 days. I have drank all the way until Wednesday and I can keep track of my medications easier. So for the main compartment, first we have my Kindle. If you've been here, you've seen my Kindle video. If not, I will link it somewhere down in the description or the top right. And this is my Kindle. It has ads. I forgot to mention that. My Kindle comes with ads, but I don't mind that. I am currently reading a gay romance on it. Not gonna show that here. We're going to keep everything PG. But if you're interested to know more about my readings as well as my personal stuff, you can hit my Tumblr in the description. We have my wallet. It has my name on it. I'm not gonna show it, but it's a simple gray wallet, very minimalist, and I have some money in it and my cards. We live in a country that still uses money, like physical money, most of the time. So I have to bring a wallet with me everywhere I go. This is my coin purse. My mother gifted this to me during her seminar. I have some coins in here, and it's a lifesaver because of how small my wallet is. So whenever I have some loose change, I just chuck it all in here. My fan. I think there is another running theme in my bag. If I have an object, it has to be green. But yeah, here's my fan. I used it for the hot weathers. It's pretty cute. I just bought it recently. Actually, my mom bought it for me.
Recycle me kulang original taste. The sugar 1.5 see ingredients.
Up next, we have my wet wipes. I use this to wipe my face and my hands, either when I finish eating or whenever I use the bathroom. It's quite useful and it smells really good. We have my reusable tote bag. It has cats because I absolutely love cats. And it has been so useful for me whenever I go out and I need to do some grocery shopping and I don't want the burden to carry a paper bag around me. We have my eye gas cleaner. I have my keys. I'm not going to show it off, but I do want to show off my cat keychain. This is my earphones. It's from the brand Realme. I don't know what model it is, but I'll flash it on screen when I remember. It comes with a pom-pom pouring case that's a little bit beaten up, but it has held on for quite some time. This is my Type-C charger. This is my power bank. It comes with a lightning cable as well as a Type-C cable, and it also comes with some ports above it. Last but not the least, we have my pencil case. It has a few pens as well as a few stationaries that has been useful inside the office as well as outside. You may never know whenever you need a good pen or two. Thank you for watching my video. If you enjoyed this what's in my bag and you want to suggest any other future videos, please comment down below. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Goodbye! But if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like nothing changed at all? And if you close your eyes, does it almost feel like you've been here before?